All right, we're gonna play sounds bingo. I will say the sounds in a word, then you will think of the word, and you're going to find that picture on your board and cover it with a bingo marker, okay? So, are you listening? I'm gonna say the sounds in the word, and you're gonna tell me what word it is, okay? Ready? The first word is sad.
Sad.
Great job. Which one is, do you have sad on your card?
Yeah.
Cover it. There you go. Good job. Do I have sad on my card?
No, you only have happy.
You're right.
I have happy and sad.
Okay, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
At.
I have cat and you have cat.
Ache.
I have cake.
Good job.
You
Do I have cake?
Yeah.
Oh, I do have cake. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, don't forget to cover your cake.
Okay, so we're on orange one like mommy.
Okay. All right, are you ready for the next word?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what's the word?
Mom.
That's right, the word is mom.
I
Oh,
don't
look.
have it.
No, you don't. Do I have it?
Yeah.
I do have it. Oh, all right, let's see. Maybe I'll win.
I have kite.
Oh,
You have
do.
kite too.
I have kite too. Oh my goodness. The next word is jam. What word is that? Jam. Do you know what jam is?
No.
Jam is like, it's kind of like jelly. You put it on your toast, and it's usually grape. Do you see something that looks like jam or jelly? That's right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But look, you have 4 in a row. So what do you say? Do you
Bingo.
Yeah, you got bingo. Good job.